Hello everyone. So today again we are here to know something amazing in mathematics. In my previous video I just proved it 4 is equals to 5, which seems to be impossible, but in mathematics, okay, we made it possible. And in the similar way today also I am just going to prove something which is not accepted by the people. So today we are going to prove 2 is equals to 1, and if 2 is equals to 1, then further it can be proved 1 is equals to 0. See, let me tell you, this proof according to the mathematics it's okay, but somewhere we are just breaking a mathematical rule. Mathematical rule, where it is broken, that is your work to find. So let's see how we can prove in mathematics 2 is equals to 1 or 1 is equals to 0. So we are starting here. Let x and y are two non-zero real numbers such that x is equals to y. So here x and y are two non-zero real numbers such that x is not equals to y. This can also be written as x square is equals to xy if I multiply both the side by x. This also can be written as x square minus y square is equals to xy minus y square. So here what I did, here I have subtracted y square from both the sides. Let me repeat again. X and y are two non-zero real number. It means their value cannot be 0 only, but they are equal. So obviously x square would be equals to xy. By subtracting y square from both the side, then it will become x square minus y square is equals to xy minus y square. Now look at next. This can also be written as x minus y, x plus y is equals to y x minus y. A square minus b square identity I have applied here. If I can remove the common factor from both the side, x minus y and x minus y, it will remain x plus y is equals to y. But as we know, x is equals to y. So if I replace x, y, this will become y plus y is equals to y. This will become 2y is equals to y. And if I cancel the common factor y from both the sides or dividing both the side by y, what will get? 2 is equals to 1. See, it's surprise. And if we subtract 1 from both the sides, it can also be proved 1 is equals to 2 or 2 is equals to 1. This is again a surprise for all of us. But still, let me tell you, still there is a mathematical rule broken. Here, one mathematical rule broken, and that is what you need to identify. What rule we are not following properly. What are the things which we made incorrect here? But if you look at all the steps as per the mathematics, you will be finding they are okay, they are perfect, they are correct. But still we broke a rule. So as I said, maths is really amazing. In maths, we can just do something which is sometimes what happens, which is not possible to accept it also. How the people will accept it by 2 is equals to 1? How the people will accept 1 is equals to 0? But in mathematics we could do it. So now just brainstorm this work and just find out what is the problem here, how we could make it 2 is equals to 1 and 1 is equals to 0. Thank you.